customers. All right, you need to teach your people to buy. You have posted all these beautiful things. You have connected with them. You have provided value. You have provided entertainment. You have provided education. All right. They love what you are doing. All right. They're getting value. They're oh, this is so good. All right. Now, while doing all of that, remember that you need to chop. All right. Because now when man they walk, now they waiting, now they chop. Now make they call and waiting, walk, shop. So you need to chop. All right. So how do you chop? Very simple. Create customers. All right, solve problems, let them pay for you to solve bigger problems. All right, teach them to pay. All right, so for example, somebody has a let's say you let me see what you do now. Let's say you fix hair, and people, or let's say you are an expert in natural hair, for example, right? So people have been having issues with natural hair. Maybe they've been trying to keep it and it's breaking and all of that, and you're providing tidbits here and there, right? Good. So what if you have a product to sell? So you take your product and you say, okay, you've been having these issues and I've provided these tips, and these tips can help you, but these products can also help you. Sell to them. All right, sell smaller things, get more people to buy in and trust you that it works. The minute it starts working, you can sell bigger things, because you would have people who would have bought those smaller ones that want to buy the bigger ones, because now they trust you and they know your product works. All right.